What's up, guys? Last week, I talked to my good friend about how he could grow his barber business using social media. I want to specifically share with you this clip about why taking more shots means you will win more, even though you may miss. Leave a like if you found this valuable. How many new people do you talk to every week about hair?
About what? Two people?
2 people.
Two.
Okay. Out of
Yeah.
those 2 new people, how many of them schedule an appointment? 1, 2?
Both of them.
Both of them.
Yeah. Well,
So
mostly.
you're like okay, you like basketball, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you a quick analogy, okay? Right now, you're like the 11th man who comes off the bench. Okay? Strong power forward.
Yeah.
He comes in for 3 minutes, he gets 2 putbacks, and then they take him out of the game, right?
Yeah.
What is this man's field goal percentage?
So he goes in and he makes both.
He makes
field goal
both. He makes both his field goal percentage. But he
So it's
takes 2
100%?
shots, right? 2 shots and he makes both.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
That's
so what's
100?
100%, right?
Yeah, that's 100%.
Okay. Would you rather be this 11th man or would you rather be Kobe?
I'll be Kobe for sure.
Okay, you beat Kobe. Okay, what's Kobe's field goal percentage? Can someone look that up? Can someone look that up real quick? Hey Siri, what was Kobe's field goal percentage during his career?
Field goal percentage of 0.447 during his NBA career.
He had a 0.447%. So that's what I need from you, Johnny. I need you to have a 44% field goal percentage.
44.
What is the only way to get that field goal percentage down? Misses. You need misses, bro.
Misses.
You need more misses. I need you to get, so that means next week I need you to get 2 no's. 2 no's and 2 yeses. Kind of makes sense?
Yeah.
But along the way, you'll have a lot of makes. So I need you to be Kobe, not some 11th man off the bench. Even though the 11th man off the bench is getting paid.
Yeah.
I need you to be Kobe.
Makes sense.
You need to be Kobe.
Just keep throwing them shots out there.
Just keep throwing them shots out there, bro. You're 2 for 2, bro. What the heck?
Yeah.
You know?
Yep.
Like let's say, using the basketball analogy again, let's say I was like, all right, Johnny, you need to score 40 points for your Clippers to win. This is a dream, okay? You're just in the Clippers game, okay? Gio's got you on 80 points, but you need to score 40 of them. Are you going to score 40 points by taking 2 shots?
Nah.
Right. So if your goal this year is to make, what is your goal for this year when it comes to how much money you make from your barber business?
I gotta keep making them shots.
How much? How much
money?
Yep.
About 10 racks, 15, 20 right now, especially because
for
we're
the
like
year?
halfway.
For the year?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's say I'm like, Johnny, I need you to make 20K this year. Okay?
Yeah.
You gonna make 20K by 2 cuts a week? No.
Nah.
Right. You gotta take, if you need to make 40 points, no way you're gonna take 2 shots and score 40 points. That doesn't, like a basket at most is worth 3 points.
Yeah.
You know? A haircut at most is worth $50. So you just gotta take more shots. And the way that I showed you, by going on Instagram and finding like-minded people's pages and then going through their most active followers, that's how you take those shots. And that's only one way to take shots, right? You can also take shots by in person. You and Gio and Caroline roll over to a coffee shop, right? You take 2 more shots with random people. You say, hey, bro, your hair look messed up, bro. I know Corona got you kind of messed up, but I got you. You know? That's another shot. You hit him with that truth, bro. But you see, then you just figure out other ways to create shots for yourself. Opportunities, right? Let's say in the future you ever apply to another job, which I don't think you ever will, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you have a better chance of? Submitting 1 application and getting that job, or submitting 10?
Submitting 10 for sure.
Right, submitting 10, bro. So I just need you to take more shots. So what are you going to do now? What are your action items?
Go look for 10 people a day, 10 warm leads a day.
Okay.
Hit them up.
Yep.
And try to get 1 out of those 10.
Don't even worry about, I want you to get 10 no's.
10 no.
Don't even worry about converting one of them. Screw that. That's not even part of this exercise. Don't even worry about closing them. Just literally talk to them. Build a conversation. Literally go into the conversation trying to be their friend. Like actually curious about what they are doing in their life. Genuinely curious. Bro, what if one of them is like a huge plug at Supreme and just gets you on the first drops, you know? You don't know, like this whole exercise is for your barber business, but dude, it can be for so many other things. And last thing, okay? So if our goal is 10 warm leads every day, okay? Not all 10 have to be through Instagram. Your question was just specific to Instagram, so I showed you how to get 10 warm leads on Instagram. But there's other ways that you can get warm leads. Guys, anyone who's watching, MK4 Production, CJ, Genius G, Rosa, anyone else, Peter, comment some other ways that Johnny could get warm leads in real life. But the whole point of building a strong social media presence and brand and everything is that you don't need to hit up people after a while. People come to you. We make videos every single Wednesday and Friday, so click this black circle right here to stay up to date with everything content marketing and social media. Also, check out these 2 videos here. If the YouTube algorithm is right, they're good for you to watch.